All right, how you doing everyone? Welcome back. Right now I'm just outside Sanam Chai MRT Station. The Grand Palace is this way. We're going this way today. So that's Museum Siam. Cool old building. I think at one point it was the Ministry of Commerce. Became a museum, I think, in about 2007. Coffee caravan. So dear cup. Caramel latte. Yen. Open that cup. Let's keep going. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Wat Arun. Okay, so we're at the back of the Grand Palace right here. Just over there is the Temple of the Reclining Buddha. Can be a bit of a pricey day out if you come down here. It's 300 baht for the Reclining Buddha. I think it's about 500, 600 baht to get into the Grand Palace. £50 for an orange juice. Big bottle. Nice and cold. So here at the Amulet Market you can get amulets to protect you from just about everything. They can protect you from snakes, they can protect you from traffic jams, the clap, bad bosses, but you can also get ones that bring the good shit, I think. We'll be on the pool, mate. Dun, dun, dun. hope you've enjoyed this little walk through the old part of Bangkok. Another video in the can, got some more coming soon. But thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Remember, destinations are awesome, but the journeys matter. Catch you in the flippity floppity. Peace.